This is CPM Precalculus, Chapter 2, number 145. So here we're asked to find the area of this triangle. So here's the triangle, and we know three sides of the triangle and nothing else. Well, one thing we looked at earlier, you might not remember. So before I do that, because there's an easier way to do this, one way to do it is to find the height here, right? And the area of a triangle is just going to be 1/2 base times height. The base here is 18. The height here we'll need to find using the law of cosines to find these angles, right? And once we find these angles, we'll be able to break up the triangles and find the height. Break the triangle up into two triangles to find this height. But one thing to note is if you have all three sides of a triangle. This guy named Heron, yeah. There's this thing called Heron's formula, which says the area of a triangle is equal to the square root of, let's say this is A, B, C. So this is side A, B, and C, right? Is the area of a triangle is equal to the square root of some constant s, which we'll explain in a second, times s minus a, times s minus b, times s minus c. And s is just equal to the perimeter, a plus b plus c, divided by 2. Okay? So that gives us, let's do it this way, because this is going to be a lot faster than solving for the height. So a plus b plus c is 18 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 2. That's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40. Divided by 2 is 20, right? Then s, then we just calculate as 20. So that's the square root of 20. S minus A is 18, so 20 minus 18, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 12. Let me fix the square root because it should go all the way over. So simplifying this, that's the square root of 20 times 20 minus 18 is 2, times 20 minus 10 is 10, times 20 minus 12 is 8, right? The rest I can just bring out the calculator and do. The square root of 20 times 2 times 10 times 8. So the area of this triangle is simply approximately 56.568, but the 8 rounds up to a 9, and the units are centimeters, right? Centimeters here. So I'm going to say centimeters squared. It's always units squared for area. All right. So that's going to end for us CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 145, using Heron's formula.